Hello friends and welcome back to our session of Standard 8 Mathematics NCERT textbook of Gujarat Government, and we were continuing our lesson number 6, square and square root. Here you will find, friends, last lecture we were discussing about how to find the squares. And some interesting patterns are also there in this chapter, which will definitely create interest for this particular subject and this particular chapter. Okay, so let me tell you something good for this. Suppose if interesting patterns, if I want to say to you, then sum of all odd numbers number of times will give you the square of the number of times it is number of times odd numbers are added. Sum means plus करना, all the odd numbers, sum of all the odd numbers number of times उसको plus किया जा रहा है. We will get you the square, it will give you the square of the number of times odd number is added. कहना क्या चाहता है भाई? 1 is an odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, and 7 is also odd number, 9 is also odd number. अब इसका टोटल करना है तो सर आप गिनोगे 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 3 22, 23, 24 और ये 25. चलो 25 ऐसे तो कर लिया, लेकिन the easiest way, how many odd numbers are added? 1 2 3 4 5 odd numbers. So 5 odd numbers added, but consecutive, sequence wise, consecutive order. So 5 square means 5 into 5, it will be 25. Total is 25. Sure. Suppose 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 और इसका टोटल करना है. ओह सर इतने में तो टाइम जाएगा. एग्जाम में ऐसा अगर एमसीक्यू पूछ ले तो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. नो, इट्स इजीएस्ट वे. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 odd numbers. So 11 into 11. So 11 square is equal to 11 into 11 is equal to 121. So the total will be 121. Clear? Very easy for you all. This is one of the pattern what we are going to learn today. One more, something interesting. Okay? Suppose we know that 1 square is equal to 1. Then if 11 square is equal to 121, if I take 3 1 square, so 3 2 1, clear? If I take 4 times 1 and square of it, so 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Interesting pattern. Not to just calculate, we will just remember. You have to 5 times. So center में 5, दोनों side 4, 3, 2 and 1. Likewise, you can go for number of times of 1. कितने भी नंबर 6 दिए तो 6, फिर दोनों साइड 5, फिर 4, for 3, then 2 and 1. You will get the answer. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square. So 6, 5, here 4, here 3, here 2 and 1. So this will be the answer for 6 times 1 square. ठीक है ना? So this is very interesting pattern which you learn today. One more. It is very interesting and all are not of same pattern. It differs. Many times सबका लिए अलग अलग यूज होता है पैटर्न, बट ये हमारे लिए काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस हमारे लिए दिमाग को कसने के लिए एक्सरसाइज भी कर देता है. So for that, suppose if I take 7 square, so it is 49. So if I take 67 square, okay, 67 square, so 4, 4, 8, 9. लास्ट डिजिट तो 7 है. चलो इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल देता हूँ. कैसे सर? आपने सिखाया था वो मेथड से, है ना? 7 7 जा 49, तो प्लस 4 कैरी 49 होता है, तो ये इधर कैरी और ये ऊपर चला गया. अब दूसरे मेथड में क्या था? a into 2 into a into b into 2 means 6 into 7 into 2. 6 7 जा 42, 42 का डबल, 42 into 2 84. So 84 plus 4, okay, तो 88. So 8 चला जाएगा और प्लस ये वाला 8 कैरी. Now 6 6 are 6 into 6 means 36 plus 8. So it will be 44. So this 44 over here. So 4 4 8 9. If I take 667 square, so simple, ये 2 है तो 3 बार 4, 1 2 3, और 2 बार 6 है तो 2 बार 8 9. सपोज 3 times 6, 1 2 3 7 square. So 3 बार है ना, तो यहाँ पे 4 बार, 1 2 3 4, और 8 लेना है, 3 है तो 3 टाइम 1 2 3 and 9. सपोज यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 times 6 and 7 देखिए, फिर स्क्वायर किया, then 4 times 6 है तो 1 2 3 4 5, इधर 5 बार है, और 8 लेना है, जितने 6 है उतने टाइम्स. सो 1 2 3 4, 4 times 6 है और 9. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैंने कोई फाउंड नहीं किया भाई, मैं भी सीखा ही. एज अ स्टूडेंट लाइक यू, आई ऑल्सो लर्न. क्लियर? So there are many different patterns you may find in your lectures, but this will definitely help you a lot to understand the things and this chapter very easily. We are going to learn something more and new in this chapter. There are different concepts and we will just clarify it in the next lecture. God bless you all. Be safe. Stay.